Hi friends, what's up? It's Travis the Realtor. I'm excited to bring you my new listing, 433 Morris Avenue in Boonton. This house has something for everyone. Come check it out. Favorite features of this house are the size. It's over 2,500 square feet. Also, you can enjoy a private, quiet backyard. Also, the location. You are near the local YMCA, Route 287, and also downtown Boonton, with many coffee shops, delis, restaurants, and boutiques. So guys, I hope you enjoyed your tour. If you would like more information or to schedule a private tour with me, the information will be below. I'm your friend and realtor. Using the right agent makes all the difference.